Welcome to the final installment of Shayna Finds a Home in Playa del Carmen. Pew, 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 pew. Why is it the final installment? Because this was my home. This is where I lived for most of 2023 in Playa del Carmen. I loved this apartment. It was maybe 5 or 6 small one-bedroom apartments shared between, the community. We had this little upstairs patio area where people could cook, you could hang out. It was adorable. And we had a little cat. We had a community cat. So the cat showed me around my apartment, and it had everything that I needed. It had that sofa. Now that space over there, that's where the TV would be, but I didn't actually need it. It was a very large studio apartment. Those sheets and everything came included. There were towels. There was a community wash center where everybody got to do their laundry for free 1 day a week. I had that little workbench, which was great. All of those plates and cups came included, and there was a sconce, that stove. If you have ever tried to find a stove in Mexico, you know how difficult that is. This is my little bathroom. I will say I had to learn very early on that you have to guard the drains because cockroaches. But other than that, as soon as I got that figured out, I was so happy living here. If you're curious how much I spent on this apartment, I'll be writing that in the description. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Okay, bye.